Is your Windows 11 C drive suddenly full, but you cannot find what is taking the space? One possible reason is a hidden Windows file called CapabilityAccessManager.db-wal. This file is connected to Windows privacy permission logging, like location, camera, microphone, and app access. Now open File Explorer and go to this path. See ProgramData, Microsoft, Windows, Capability Access Manager. Right-click the folder or file and open Properties. Here you can check the real size. On my PC, the file size is small, so this computer does not have the problem. But if your file size shows 10 GB, 50 GB, or more, that means this hidden file is taking your C drive space. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Now we will check the Capability Access Manager folder. This folder can contain database files used by Windows privacy permissions. Type this command. Type this command. dir c ProgramData, Microsoft, Windows, Capability Access Manager, A. File not found. Do not worry. Sometimes the folder is protected or hidden. Next, run the Take Ownership command to access the folder. After ownership is completed, check the folder again. Now you can see files like Capability Access Manager, DB, Capability Access Manager, DBSHM, and Capability Access Manager, DB-wal. The important file is Capability Access Manager, DB-wal. If this file is very large, like many GB, it can be the reason your C drive is full. ICACLS, C ProgramData, Microsoft, Windows, Capability Access Manager, Grant Administrators, F.T. Check the capacity of the Capability Access Manager, DB-wal. dir c ProgramData, Microsoft, Windows, Capability Access Manager, DB-wal, A. You can see the DB-wal size of the file. Please subscribe if it's useful. Thanks for watching.